Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing extremely well. If you are in the world of painting, you have probably considered buying canvases. Or you must have bought tons and tons and tons of canvases. And often you might have wondered, am I spending a lot of money on this? Do I even have to buy a canvas board? Or do I have to buy something else? And this is exactly what I've been going through too. So I decided to give it a shot and buy a canvas roll. There are two advantages to this. Buying a roll is a lot cheaper. And I did the tough math. Damn right I did. A canvas board of 20 by 24 inches costs 279 rupees. That's like 480 square inches, right? And the canvas roll that I got from Amazon, I'll leave the link in the description below. It's a 5 meters in length by 36 inches in height. That's like 7096 square inches. And that costed 880. So this canvas roll, it costed zero point 0.1 rupees per square inch, and the canvas board costed 0.58 rupees per square inch. So the canvas roll is more than 5 times cheaper. That's first reason. Second advantage, it's an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. Do you know why? It's good for a beginner because when you're starting out, you're going to get rid of a lot of material. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, and better to do that on a cheaper cloth than a fully framed canvas that is expensive. And it's a great choice for professionals too because you can make custom sizes rather than choose what the companies make. I agree that you will have to build the frame and everything, but even with your own sturdy wooden frame, you are much better off with a canvas roll and you will have some money to spend on something else. Well, there you go. And coming to this roll, it's very well primed. I like the texture. It's pretty white. And the other painting that you're seeing here is actually still work in progress. Just ignore it. I'm just gonna try some Bob Ross on this roll and see how that turns out, and maybe I'll post that out. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day ahead. Peace.